Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit Verge Lite, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the home button. After you wake up the screen, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And here you should see the brightness icon, the one that looks like a sun. Now tap on it, and here we need to disable the auto brightness before we adjust the brightness manually. So tap on the A icon right here to make it, basically if you disable it, it's not gonna be highlighted anymore. And once you disable the auto brightness, you can swipe on the slider to adjust the brightness. And once you're done, you can swipe right on the screen, like this, or press the home button. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.